Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a drop-down menu on Wix. Let's get started. First, click on the website that you want to add a drop-down menu to. Then click on Design Site. You can add a new menu by clicking on Add Elements right here. And then look for Menu and Anchor. Then you will have tons of options for your menu. I already added my menu right here, so let's just click it and then click on Manage Menu. And then in this new tab, just click on Add Menu Item and then click Drop Down. Label it however you like, then click Done. And then you can add the items that you wish to make a drop-down menu. Like for example, I'm going to make this contact a drop-down menu, so I'm going to drag it like this. And then that is the drop-down menu of this main menu. And then you can just click on Preview right here to see your drop-down menu in action, and then click on Publish to save your changes. And that is how you can make a drop-down menu on Wix. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.